Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add tags to your YouTube video. So before you start, make sure that you have installed YouTube Studio onto your mobile device. Then you go to YouTube Studio. Confirm the title of the channel of the video that you're about to add the tag to. So how to save YouTube videos directly to your phone's gallery. Then you exit the YouTube Studio app. Then you go to Google Chrome. Then you search for YouTube tag generator. Click on rapid tags. So you can create an account or use the tool for free. So use the tool for free. Wait for the website to load. Then you enter the title of the video you want to add the tags to. So for this video, how to save so then you search. So these are the tags they provided. Then you copy the tags. You exit Google Chrome. Then you go back to YouTube Studio. Then you click on the video you want to add the tags to. Click on the edit icon. Click on add tags. Then you paste the tags you obtain from the Rapid Tags website. You might have trouble copying and pasting all the tags. They will not be effective. So we have to write these tags down somewhere else. Then you write them each individually. So you write them individually. Save. So when you are done entering all the tags, you click save to save all the tags. These tags will help your videos appear higher in search rankings. That's it for today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Feel free to leave a comment